Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to use DAB link feature on the following car. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Vitara. Let's find and select here the settings. From list of settings, from the left tab, let's select the note icon to open the music settings. Now let me select the radio settings, the second option from the list. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and here you can find DAB link. As you can see, you can enable or disable this feature just by using this toggle. So this manages the service following within the digital network. Digital stations are often grouped into multiplexes. If you drive out of the range of one transmitter, the system will scan for other ones to find the same station. So it ensures you stay on the digital signal as long as possible before the system has to downgrade you to FM. So it could be quite useful. I usually have this feature enabled, so let me leave it that way. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.